This is Kayla. The snow is not coming out of the cooler.
Out!
We're trying to make a snow fort with little blocks.
Wait, let's check it, okay?
Okay.
This is one of my face.
Oh God!
It's not even out by now. Oh my God, it's going down.
That was so funny. Oh my God.
Break it. You know what?
And now try to push it out.
It better come out this time.
I can't believe you fell. That was so funny.
That was not funny.
That was perfect.
Gosh! There's crap out of me.
Apparently,
Oh my God!
It's coming, dude. It was coming. It was coming. It was coming out.
It's coming? Seriously?
It was when you
Holy
picked
crap.
it up.
Okay.
I can't.
I'm done.
Get the rest of the snow out of the cooler.
Oh my God, yeah. I'm out of breath.
Don't throw it at me.
I'm not throwing it at you. Now you want to come out. Wow, you're awesome, aren't you? Thank you. Thank you. I'm so out of breath right now, you don't even know. Looks like a boat. Holy crap. Hold
Do
on.
it again.
Hold on. It's a boat, dude. There's a boat.
There's Kayla's boat.
It's a boat.
Kayla, maybe if you only fill it halfway full, it'll work.
What?
Maybe if you only fill it halfway instead of filling it all the way. I'm just giving suggestions.
Dude, I'm done with this crap. This would be like an freaking, I don't even know.